So I got a 4-move leg workout for you guys today. And the majority of this workout is all about time under tension. You may actually find yourself doing fewer reps than usual, but those reps are going to take longer and your quads, hamstrings, and glutes are still going to light up. Let's check it out. So we're going to start this workout out with 4 sets of box squat work. And we're really going to focus on the eccentric portion of these. You're only going to do 4 to 6 reps on these, but each rep should be slow and controlled. You're really trying to not plop down on that box, so each rep is going to take a good 4 to 5 seconds. Focus on keeping your shin vertical for the life of each rep. That means you're going to have to take a wider stance than usual. And again, you're really taking your time on these. I've only done a couple reps, but we're already probably 20 seconds into this video. Again, you're doing 4 sets and you're going 4 to 6 reps on each set. Next up, we've got 4 sets of a trap bar deadlift superset. And each set of this superset is going to start with 8 to 10 offset stance deadlifts. Foot position and core control on this is key. So on these reps, I have my right foot normally where I would for a standard deadlift. And I've got my left foot backed off a little bit and I'm on my left toes. The left leg can't be as involved in the lift, so my right leg has to carry more of the load here. It's sort of like a single leg deadlift in that way. Except because my left leg is on the ground, it can offer a little bit more support so I can load the deadlift up a little more. After I finish off those stagger stance reps, I'm going into 8 to 10 traditional trap bar deadlift reps. So take a brief second to reset yourself before you go into these. You want to give your core and hips a chance to adjust from that offset stabilization pattern into this more standard stabilization pattern. And bang out your reps. You've got 8 to 10 reps here and you've got 4 sets of this. Switch offset legs every set. Third off, we've got half rack, half overhead walking pendulum pulse lunges. And these are trickier than you'd think. So you're going to take a back lunge step, pulse once down there, and then take a forward lunge step with that same leg and pulse once. That pulse is all about stealing a little bit of extra time under tension, and it's another way of forcing you to control your lunge. You can't be wild or uncontrolled with your steps when you know you have that pulse coming. We've got 4 sets here. And we'll finish this workout off with 3 sets of a goblet squat game. So here we're going to blend some iso hold work with some pure reps. And the setup here is pretty simple. So you're going to start in a 5-second iso hold at halfway, and then you'll go from that into 5 goblet squat reps. And you're going to follow that with a 4-second iso hold, and then 4 goblet squat reps. Then you'll go 3 and 3, 2 and 2, and 1 and 1. You wind up racking up a pretty decent amount of time in that thighs parallel to the ground position, so those reps wind up a little more fierce than you might think. You've got 3 sets here, and that's the workout. Have fun.